going left?
I don't even know what this is. Still hitting it.
Still good?
Still hitting it. But is he gonna stay?
Hopefully it's a giant sand
He's
tiger.
just swimming around.
Yeah.
Dude, it's slack again.
Yeah?
I'm waiting for some kind of
Yeah, right? Oh. That's, oh no! That drag.
wow.
Wow, is right. Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't expect that.
No. That drag's scary though.
I know. On the mantis.
Oh yeah, what's up with this rod?
Rod. Ah, Mad Mantis.
Mad Mantis rod.
Mad Mantis. This is the prototype. He told me to break it. Let's see if we can do that.
Well, if your drag keeps sticking, it might. Yeah, he played with it for like a good 30 seconds.
He didn't do anything else.
Yeah.
Like I just hit him and then he was big suddenly.
Oh, he's tangled up in commercial nets, dude.
Oh, is he really?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, dang. That's what his problem is? Oh, we gotta save him, dude.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna buy
We'll definitely save him, yeah.
Real bad, real bad.
Yeah, he's got nets in him. But yeah, this is commercial. Oh
Alright,
crap.
hands on, but let's take care of this shark.
Yeah, what do we want to do here? We got a double hook up. Look at the nets eating away at this shark. Ugh. Alright, yeah, I can't get that. That hook's in there good. Yeah, let's
Oh man.
save the shark. He's messed up, dude.
Where else?
That's probably the only one that's in there.
Hold on, no.
Wow, he's angry
Yeah,
now.
we need to take care of this fish. Shoot.
Alright, nets are off.
Nets off?
No, he's not.
Just about.
What's that? Is that your...
Just look at this real quick.
Wow.
That net ate away at this fish's gill real bad, like real bad.
That net ate away at this fish's gill real bad, like real bad.
But the shark is still okay.
That's why it was fighting so.
That's why it was crazy, yeah.
He'll be alright.
But she's happy now.
Yeah. Freedom.
She'll be happy now.
Freedom.
She's safe.
Yeah, she's out there. Yeah.
Alright, and we're on again. So
Yeah.
that was number 7.
Oh, is he on right now?
Yeah, he is.
Dang, and well, we got another shark
That's why I
on.
ran, because I heard it scream.
I felt bad for it, but.
How many sharks this year have you caught that had nets like that?
We had... That was the second
0.
time.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It was.
Remember it was growing on the inside?
Yeah.
You
We had one like that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so size.
That's a good shark
It's the
bite.
size.
Yeah, that's a good shark
He's
bite.
not running, but
He feels good?
it feels heavy.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I didn't know you had one on. He's not bad. Ooh.
Nice fish.
Yeah, he's not bad at all. Not-
He's got like the sand tiger spots on him.
Look at that.
Woo!
That's pretty cool.
He's a hybrid.
Oh
They're
yeah.
like sand tiger spots.
He's a hybrid.
Yeah. Great. Where's he at?
He's deep. I think he's deep.
Hold on. I've done this before.
Watch it for
What, lost toes before?
Yeah.
I've watched those.
These are all fake implant toes.
Fake toes?
There we go.
Bam, nice.
That's how you take out a gut hook.
Yeah.
Here you go, baby. Tender hold. Hurry up.
Yeah.
And she's safe.
Hell yeah. That's how you properly release a gut hooked shark there. Woo!
And a safe gut hook release.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's good to go.